Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 372nd part of explanation of my theory. Quarks are small-scale electrons. Quarks wavelengths are approximately 10,000 times smaller than wavelength of electrons. By the way, electrons can be different type sizes as their wavelengths. Yes, quarks are small-scale electrons. Electrons are intrinsic angular spherical motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter. And this is my proton model. Yes. Here, 3 quarks, and each one perpetual, cyclical, intrinsic angular motion forms, spherical, ring-shaped motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter as electron motion forms, and each tangential speed is 6.28 times speed of light. Now they are free, but when they connected with each other, when they make joint motion with each other in specific conditions like this, they change their sizes. They change their masses, energies, angular momentums, etc. Yes, by the way, don't forget, Planck's constant is nothing but angular motion form of electron motion forms or quarks. A point on that sphere as photon have angular momentum, and that angular momentum is Planck's constant, as I told you before. Now, I'm so sorry. Here a basic proton. Be careful, please. This is one proton. Middle, other proton, down proton, left side, up. I'm so sorry. Left side, up quark. Down side, down quark, middle, in the middle, and right side, again, up quark. Together, they connected with each other and cycling at tangent speed of 6.28 times greater than speed of light. Cycling is going on. This is proton. Okay. Because right side and left side speeds added together make them their sizes change, and middle of them smaller than and higher frequency in two parts, I'm so sorry, but left side or right side quarks, one side high frequency, left side small frequency, and here angular momentum will change. Okay, and this is three-dimensional like this way. Now, a small explanation, I will go on. Yes, direct connection making joint angular motion and interaction between intrinsic, immanent, perpetual, regular, ring-shaped, spherical angular motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter determine our physical laws. Our sensations and perceptions and our conventional measurement tools are sensitive only angular motion forms interactions in meta sensation perception matter, and we are part of them in meta sensation perception matter reality. Yes, for instance, our bodies and measurement tools are not sensitive for neutrinos that exceed speed of light electron motions. When an electron motion form exceeds the speed of light, it loses its consecutive waves and its spherical shape, and from now on it is a motion arrow at 6.28 times greater than the speed of light motion. But our bodies, our perception sensations, and our conventional measurement tools are not sensitive for that. Okay. All fundamental forces, wait a moment please, I'm so sorry. All fundamental forces as defined non-connect forces are in fact connect forces, and all fundamental forces are rooted only one thing: interactions of angular motion forms of metasensation perception matter. Electron motion forms are intrinsic, immanent, perpetual, cyclical, spherical, ring-shaped motion forms of metasensation perception matter. As the constituent parts of a proton, quarks are small-scale electron motion forms that make joint cyclical motions and interlocked. While doing this, as the result of interactions at 6.28 times greater speed of light tangential speed, they change their shapes, sizes, masses, wavelengths, energies, etc. Have a good night. See you later.